to mother talk again. Okay, stay at home and break the chain. Okay, today we are going to study another good lesson. Okay, so once again, stay at home and break the chain. Today we are going to study another beautiful one. Two great personalities are there: the raggy leg and her mother. Raggy leg means it is a rabbit. Raggy leg means it is a who is raggy leg? A rabbit. And his mother. Who is mother? Molly. Who is mother? Molly. Okay. Raggy leg's first adventure. Adventure means it is a risk-taking one, whatever it may be. Now here Raggy leg takes a risk in her life. There is a chance to win and there is a chance to lose. Okay. This is the specialty of risk-taking adventure. Okay, so there is a chance to win, there is a chance to lose. Okay, so Raggy leg's first adventure. This is the story. Okay, mother told you dwell at home, stay at home, you continue at home. Okay, you wait at home. Okay, nowadays our mother, father, brother, sister, everybody in the society, the villagers, the native members, all everybody tell like this: stay at home. Why? For our own prosperity, for our own goodness, for our own health. Unless we obey, what will happen? Something will happen. It is danger to our life. Now we expect we will have long life. But if we do not obey, something will happen. May not have long life. It is the instruction by the health department. Okay, see, Raggy was the name of a rabbit. Mother asked him to stay at home. Stay at home and keep till she returned. This is the great message by Raggy leg's mother, Molly. Everybody has mother. And mother loves her children very much than anyone. Mother can only love like this. Can others love you than your mother? No. It is impossible. A mother can only love a person very much. Others cannot do like this. Okay? Suppose during the time of playing some World Cup footballs, crickets, going on time, what will happen? Okay, sometimes when you go to outside for watching World Cup football, you come back at night 3 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 4 o'clock. Then who will open the door? Mother. Then you ask your brother, you open the door when I come, what will happen? The fellow will not be ready to open. Why? He loves you, but he cannot give the love same like this, same like your mother. Suppose whenever your mother is getting one biryani packet from outside, mother will give that packet for all the members in the family. She will distribute all the biryani packets item, maybe chicken, maybe beef, whatever it may be, mother will distribute. Why? It shows her love to her children. Mother can only love like this. Okay? Whenever a person is suffering from any problem, what will happen? Mother will be with him. Mother will treat him well. Mother will be ready to even avoid her own sleeping for her own babies, her own children. That is the love given by mother. So mother can only love like this. See, Raggy leg's mother asked Raggy leg, you be here, stay at home, I am going somewhere and I will be back after. So you dwell at home, you continue here, I shall come after. Okay? Who told Raggy leg's mother? To whom it was told? To Raggy leg. Okay, see, he saw many things outside. Who saw? Now Raggy leg is staying at home, and his mother told him, asked him, instructed him to stay at home. But Raggy leg was not ready to obey the words given by mother. He saw many beautiful things outside, so he decided to come outside. No problem. When I go outside, no problem. Mother told me to stay at home, but no problem. Outside is full of beautiful greeneries are there. I can see beautiful seen there. So just going, enjoying and coming back, nothing will happen. So Raggy Leg decided like this. Then what happened there? Rag made the mistake of coming out. As a result, he found himself face to face with a black great snake. This is the problem. What is the problem? She noticed a black snake. Who noticed the black snake? Huh? Raggy Leg discovered, encountered, located whom? A black snake. Already mother had an insight in her mind. What is that? What is that? If she comes out, she may have some problems. It was the insight of the mother. What was her insight? That only happened. Some dangers, some problems may have for her own children. So it happened there. It happened there. Okay? It happened there. You know the snake eating people, snake eating countries, you know. Vietnam, you know, China, you know, Hong Kong, you know, snake eating countries, snake juice, snake soup, snake biryani, snake biryani. No. Okay, snake eating countries are there. They are not afraid of, but our Keralites are afraid of snakes. Okay, Vietnam, China, Hong Kong, Thailand, Philippines, snake eating countries are there. Okay, but we are afraid of snakes. And the Raggy Leg here, she also happened to meet one black snake. She totally got upset. Then what happened? It is a great situation for snake, not for Raggy Leg. Why? It is going to have a good, delicious, tasty food now. But Raggy Leg is not going to get it. He is going to lose his life. He is going to lose his life. Okay? So most number of rabbits are seen in China, Korea, Italy, Egypt, like that countries. Okay? Most number of rabbits. So here what Raggy Leg came out and unfortunately he met a black snake, a venomous snake. Venomous snakes. When somebody meets a snake, nothing will happen. Then when somebody attacks the snakes, there is a chance to get killed by the snake. Okay? Okay? Okay, do you like snake? No. You like to eat snake? No, nobody likes. Okay? See, as a result, he found himself face to face with the black snakes. Mother was no longer shy. Already the mother was very shy. Keeping inside, sitting in houses, not going and talking to anyone, and not sharing her feelings. Full time the mother was introvert. Not ready to go outside, and full time keeping in house only. But today, here at this moment, she heard a cry, a dangerous cry of her own baby, her own Raggy Leg. So she neglected her shyness. There is no shyness now. At present, she is not an introvert. She is very smart. Quickly, mother jumped from somewhere and came back to help her own children. This is the love by any mother. This is the love by any mother. Then what happened? And it attacked the black snake. Actually, you know the power of the strength of Raggy Leg. But then what will be the strength of mother? Not so powerful as snakes. If the snake is very venomous, there is a chance to die when it is given attack. When the rabbit is given attack, what will happen? There is a chance to die. There is a chance to die. So mother was not ready to bother about her own problems. There is a chance to die, but she took the risk. It is another adventure by mother. Already who took the adventure? Raggy Leg. Raggy Leg was unusual adventure. But mother, it is a necessary adventure. Here this adventure is very necessary. Unless she comes now, there is a chance of death. When she keeps at her own house, to her own area, what will happen? Her mother will not, Raggy will not come back. This is the problem. So she decided to jump up from the seat and she came back to help her. Mother used her sharp claw bravely. Sharp claw. Sharp claw. What is sharp claw? Curved nail. Nail not. Curved nail. For what? For gripping, for seizing something, to hold something. So she used the claw to attack with like JCB. JCB, you know? JCB not for attacking, for removing the earth, only. But now she has some nails to say something, to hold something, to say something, seizing, you know. But now she is very bold, very courageous, no problem. Though I have no weapons, though I have no any other equipments, no problem. With my claw itself, I will attack the snake. And she attacked it. She attacked the snake. Bravely fought, snake only got a mouthful to fur. And what happened? The snake decided, or the snake thought, today he will get a delicious, healthy food. But not happened. Mother came, mother jumped up, mother helped the raggy leg and she was escaped. Now the attempt by the snake has been collapsed. It got only a fur, means a hair, a part of hair only got. It lost the tightness. Hold baby. It lost the tightness. Already it was in a great curling. It was curling. But what happened? Now the tightness was gone. Why? Mother came there, mother helped her, mother attacked using her claws. That is why it happened. So now what happened there? It lost the tight hold baby raggy leg, and after the snake slithered away, just moved from the area. And I am sorry I left the nest. And finally, after escaping, the raggy leg told mother, I am really sorry. I am really sorry. I am sorry for being come out. I am extremely sorry, my dear darling mother. Because of you only I am here. Unless you help me, I won't be here. You are a great mother, lovable mother. With your caliber, your efficiency, your quickness, I am here, mother. Really, you are lovable, mother. Really, you are lovable. So far, I disobeyed you. Now onwards, at present, I will not repeat the same mistakes, errors and blunders in my life. I will not repeat this. Because of you only, I am here. Who told Raggy leg? This is the great message she got from his own mother. Mother already had this kinds of insight in her mind. When she comes out, there will be having some problems. Mother already thought like this, but the poor silly rabbit could not imagine what the wish of the mother was. But actually, what happened? Who is really successful? The mother is successful. And rabbit got what? He got his life because of the mother only. So mother's love is pervading all over in the world. You want to respect your mother. You want to obey your mother. You want to give your help to your mother. Unless your mother help you, then who will help? If there is a life in the side of mother will be coming to help you. No one will not come you. Even the mother is ready to reject her own life for her own children. She is ready to neglect her own life for her own children. But the other people in the world, so many people are there in the world, but they may not be ready to sacrifice their life for you. But mother can. Okay? Mother only can. So that is the love. That is the mother of love. Okay? Understand the love of rightly elect mother. Okay? You also respect your own mother. Okay? Thank you.